job opportunity in my channel. Today this opportunity is specifically for those people who have at least 2 years of experience in software testing domain. So here the company name is Cisco and they are looking for test development engineer. The job location will be Bangalore and it's a hybrid job, so you need to visit to the Bangalore if you want to start this job. But the interview will be happening on online mode, so from any location you can apply for this opportunity. So here they have provided the JD, what you actually have to do as a test development engineer. So if you have completed your bachelor's on engineering, computer science engineering or information technology, and if you have 2 years of experience in software testing, software test life cycle, product development processes, then you can apply for this opportunity. Also they have clearly mentioned that Python scripting skills, data analytics, these will be also impactful and will be helpful for this role. So if you know about these things, please do mention in your resume so that it will be shortlisted for this role. As you all know, Cisco is a great multinational company and also it's a product based company, so the pay scale will be very high for you. And also if you can join this role, you can also build a great future for this specific domain in this company. So that's all about the job opportunity. I'll provide you the link in the video description. If you are interested, you can check and you can apply online. And if you are new to this channel, you can subscribe to this channel to get regular job opportunity. If you need any help, any assistance, you can just ping me on Instagram or you can comment below so that I can resolve your doubt as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.